Good day! This is Teacher Linds. I am your mathematics teacher in this virtual class. Today we'll have addition and subtraction of decimals. After this lesson, you are expected to first add and subtract decimals and mixed decimals through 10,000s without or with regrouping. Second, write the sum or the difference through 10,000s correctly. For lesson 1, we'll have addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. First, let's have a short review. Try to look at the numbers. This is ones or the whole number, decimal point. After decimal point, we have tenths, hundredths, and thousands. Remember, in estimating the sum and difference of decimal numbers, first, round off the decimal numbers to the nearest whole number. Then, add the rounded numbers. The rounded numbers are 7, 3, and 5. So 7 plus 3 plus 5 is 15. 15 is the estimated sum. Now, let's go shopping. Look at the price on each item. Try to look at the prices of dress and sandal. If you want to buy a dress and a pair of sandal, what is the estimated cost? Right, it's 1,455 pesos. How much does it cost to buy a pair of shoes and a belt? Right, it's 1,131 pesos. What is the estimated difference between the prices of a bag and a pair of sandals? Right, it's 166 pesos. Now, let's proceed to our lesson proper, adding and subtracting decimal numbers. Let us read this problem all together. Amidst health crisis, the frontliners of the Bod Lanao del Norte took temperature testing to all market goers. Using a thermal scanner, people who went inside the market were tested and their temperature readings were recorded. This activity was done to determine if a person was having a fever, which was one of the symptoms of coronavirus disease 2019 or COVID-19 pandemic. The table below shows temperature reading of 6 persons. If the normal body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius, what is the combined temperature of persons with fever? Combined means total, so we need to add. How much greater is the third person's temperature than the normal body temperature? As you can see, person 3 and person 4 has the temperature beyond 37 degrees Celsius. Here are the 3 steps that will help you solve the problem with possible answer. In answering 39.53 degrees Celsius plus 38.21 degrees Celsius equals n, or the missing number or sum, first, you need to align the decimal points in a straight column. Second, add them all like whole numbers. Right, it's 7774. Third, align the decimal points in the sum. Now, you can read this answer as 77.74 degrees Celsius. Let's have another question from the given problem. How much greater is the third person's temperature than the normal body temperature, which is 37 degrees Celsius? Much greater means difference, so we need to subtract. In answering this, first, you need to align the decimal numbers in column. Second, put extra zeros to the right of the decimal numbers if necessary to have the same decimal places. Third, subtract like whole numbers by affixing the decimal point in the difference. Right, it's 2.53 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the third person is 2.53 degrees Celsius, greater than the normal body temperature. Let's try this activity. Write in column form and add 0 and 2,358 10,000s, 6 and 378,145 and 9/10. Now, what is the sum? Right, it's 152 and 5,138 10,000s. Next, what is the difference of 42 and 3,679 10,000s and 5 and 48 hundredths? Right, it's 36 and 8,879 10,000s. For number 3, deduct 15 and 729 thousands from the sum of 26 and 84 hundredths and 4 and 5 tenths. What is the result? Before we get the final answer, we need to add first 26 and 84 hundredths plus 4 and 5 tenths. Right, it's 31 and 34 hundredths. Now, we'll deduct 15 and 729 thousandths from 31 and 34 hundredths. Right, it's 15 and 611 thousandths, and it is our final answer. Now, it's your turn to answer the activities in your module. That's it for today. Again, this is Teacher Lindsay. See you next time.